For 80 years, man has attempted to surf the land. I am no different. Is your surfing also not like in the movies? Then Seaskate was made for you. If you have access to surf at all, then you are already 1 in a million. Maybe 2 or 3 million. Then it's inconsistent. Then it's 99% paddling. Then the ride of your life is 6 seconds.
That's awesome. But still, it's pretty hard to improve.
Seaskate has the right action to build the right body with the right muscle memory to surf you all over the beach. You'll see results the next time you go out. So, how is it different? First, we free up the third dimension. Then, we pull the pivot point way back. Then we add springs, and then we use vastly greater tension in the rear spring. It just feels like fins, and there's nothing else like it. All fully adjustable as well. I'm Darian, by the way. I design and build and ride and tune stuff every day because I love it.
Just kidding.
Seaskate has evolved beyond my wildest dreams, straight into the hands of the action sports caster guy in the world. There's only one. It's that early. This is what he came up with. Look at how genius it is. More drive, more momentum, more frictionless. Fully enclosed, battle-proof, maintenance-free. Wow! Your pledge will directly fund the molds and state-of-the-art materials. Seaskate is actually much simpler than the skateboards Bob produces every day.
That is f***ing nuts. I like it, bro. Awesome.
This was bound to happen anyway, and we think we're the right guys for the job. All we need is your pledge to bring the strongest, lightest, fastest, funnest possible Seaskate to life.